Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Success Academy. Today we are going to discuss about important SSLC problems on light reflection and refraction. Now let us see the first problem, friends. An object is placed at a distance of 10 cm from convex mirror. Observe here, it is a mirror, convex mirror. Focal length 15 cm. Find the position and nature of image. The mirror formula, friends, mirror formula is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Formula, friends, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. This is formula for mirror. In u represent object distance and v represent image distance and f is focal length. In this problem they have given focal length of 15 cm and object distance is 10 cm, friends. In convex mirror we take object distance as negative. It is negative. Let us solve. Given object distance u is equal to minus 10, as I have said it is negative, and focal length they have given as 15 cm. We have to find position of image. Position of image is v. Position of image is question mark they are given. Put in the formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. F is 15. 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u is minus 10. Now take this 1 by 10 here and 1 by v will be kept there only. 1 by v is equal to 1 by 15. This minus if it come here plus 1 by 10. LCM 15 and 10 LCM is 30. 1 by v is equal to, see here, friends, 15, 10. 5 3 is a 5 2 is a. LCM is equal to 3 into 2 into 5. 3 2 is a 6. 6 5 is a 30. LCM is 30. Next, 30 into 1 by 15. 50 into 30 plus 1 by 10 into 30. 15 ones are 15 twos are 30. 10 ones are 10 threes are. The remaining is 1 by v is equal to 2 plus 3 divided by 30. 1 by v is equal to 5 by 30. 5 ones are 5 6 are. 1 by v is equal to 6. It means v is equal to 6. And now to get the nature of the image, we have to substitute the formula magnification. M is equal to minus v by u. Magnification m is equal to minus v by u. M is equal to, v is image distance which we got here. It is 6 minus 6 u. U is given in question. It is 10. So it is in convex mirror. We have to get negative. It is minus 10. Minus minus cancel. M is equal to 0.6. M is equal to 0.6. By this we can say that m is lesser than 1, means image is diminished. Image is diminished. In convex mirror it will produce virtual images and diminished. Nature virtual and diminished. Okay, friends, now let us go to the next problem, friends. The problem is the image focused at the distance of 15 cm in a concave mirror of focal length 20 cm. Remember, friends, in concave mirror focal length is always negative. Find the object distance. Here they have given image distance 15 cm. We have to find object distance. Image distance they have given as 15. Focal length is always negative in concave mirror, and we have to find object distance. Now let us move on to our next problem, friends. A 2 centimeter tall object means it is the height of the object is given. Height of the object h is given. It is 2 centimeter. In exam also, friends, if you read question properly and understand it, the half problem will be solved. Next, perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. Focal length f is given as 10 centimeter. The distance of the object from the lens is 15 centimeter. Object distance is given 15 u. Find the nature and position size of the image. Also find its magnification. Okay, friends. What is given? Height h is 2 centimeter. Focal length is 10 centimeter. U, object distance is minus 15 centimeter. As I have said earlier, in convex lens we have to use object distance as minus negative. V, image distance is we don't know, we have to find it, and height of the image also we have to find, and magnification. So lens formula. Lens formula is one by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by 2. Okay, friends, you have to remember the sign. For lens it is minus, for mirror it is positive. Substitute the values. 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by minus 15. Minus into minus it will become plus 15, and if plus 15 come to this side it will become again minus 15. Now after sending the values there, it will become 1 by v is equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 15. Same, friends, we have to take the LCM of 10 and 15. LCM of 10 and 15. 5 2s are 5 3s are 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. LCM is 30. Now multiply with LCM. 1 by v is equal to 30 LCM. 10 3s are 30 minus 15 2s are 30. 1 by v is equal to 1 by 30. Therefore, v is equal to 30. Image distance is 30. Image distance 30. Next. Start again there. Image distance is 30, friends. We have to find it. And next we have to find the height of the image. Height of the image. You know the magnification formula. M is equal to h dash by h. It is equal to v by u. We know the value of v, u and h. So we can easily find out h dash. H dash is equal to h into v by u. This implies height they have given as 2, v by u. V is 30, u they have given as minus 15. 15 ones are 15 2s are 30, minus 2 into 2 minus 4. H dash is equal to minus 4. Next, height of the image also we have to find out. At last we have to find the magnification. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by q. F formula, friends, minus 20. 1 by minus 20 is equal to 1 by v. 1 by 15 plus 1 by u. Okay. Now this plus 1 by 15, if it comes this side, it will become minus 1 by 15. Here 1 by u will be remaining. Though next 1 by u is equal to minus 1 by 20 minus 1 by 15. Take LCM of 20 and 15. 20, 15. 5 4s are 5 3s are 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. LCM is equal to 60. Now multiply 1 by 20 into 60. 1 by 20 into 60. Next 1 by 15 into 60. 21s are 23s are. It will become 3. 15 ones are 15 4s are. It will become 4. Now substitute the values. 1 by u is equal to LCM is 60 minus 3. Minus 3, here sign is minus, answer is 4. Minus 3 minus 4. 1 by u is equal to minus 3 minus 4, it will add minus 7 divided by 60. U is equal to reciprocal friends, minus 60 divided by 7. Divide it. 67. 7 8s are 56. 4 will be remaining 0.0. 7 5s are 35. 5 will be remaining. Already put out point. So another 0. 7 7s are 49. Ended at 2 decimals friends. Our answer is u is equal to 8.57 centimeter distance. Okay friends, 8.57 units. What unit they have given? You have to mention the unit. It is minus here, minus 8.57. Sign is also important friends, so be careful. And sign convention also important. But when concave mirror is given, we have to take focal length as negative, and when convex mirror is given, we have to take object distance as negative. M is equal to V by U. V is 30. U they have given as minus 15. 15 ones are 15 twos are. Therefore, M is equal to minus 2. We have find out all the three values friend. By this we can say that image is negative means image is inverted and magnification 2 times behind the lens.